Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to upload any file on Hostinger. Laravel file, ready-made template, any bootstrap ready-made template, any website template, any type of HTML directly in Hostinger with Subdomain. So first of all, I will teach you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and how to upload the files in that subdomain on the Hostinger. How to take our website live. This is complete video. How will you upload the file to directly into Hostinger? How to display your ready-made website template on Hostinger. Now switching into my computer screen and just started how to achieve this functionality. Now I will open the Hostinger official website like this. If you did not log in into your panel, just use your Google credential or any type of credential to log in. In sidebar, go to the website section, and in website section there is a website list button. Just click on the website list and wait to what happened next. This is all the website domains and subdomains which is created inside the Hostinger panel. It's my ID and this type of subdomain already created. So just for example, I will open any type of subdomain just for exploring my file explorer. Now see in the sidebar there is a new section domains. In domain section there is a subdomain button in which all the subdomains will listed, and we can create any type of new subdomain listed with any type of purchase domain. So for example, I will create subdomain with live. It means that it will appear like live.thetechindia.in. So I will writing the folder name just with same keywords live, and I will click on the create button to create this subdomain. Now see, this is how the subdomain will get created, and see the subdomain is get created, and to visit that subdomain folder we have to redirect to our file manager just from visiting website list, and all the listed subdomain will available here. Now see, this is our new subdomain created live.thetechindia.in, and we will open this URL. See, this is a new URL where the Hostinger by default page is loaded. After clicking on the dashboard button, we will redirect to the home page of our subdomain, and now clicking on the file manager will redirect us to the file structure. So this is the file structure of the domains the takeIndia.in, and where all the subdomain will listed here. Just clicking on the public HTML page, this is a folder where all the subdomain will listed, and by default page is also will listed. So we have to check the live subdomain. So we will go to the live folder and see there is a default .php page which is created by the Hostinger, and the by default page is also loaded on the by default URL of our domain. So just changing the message in, we are creating the index.html page, and see, just for testing purpose we have written hi message in our file, and see the URL is showing same message in our loaded browser. So we are not now exploring the any type of template which will uploaded on our file. So we are just searching for a good website, a bootstrap template. This one will be better. For just for example, we will choose the carousel blog. Yeah, this will be okay. I think we should try this block template, and nothing is more good like this. So I am picking the block template. This is looking good, like everything is looking fine. And just for shortcut, we will click the control plus U button to see all the design. It means to see the all the codes of this UI. So with copying all the designs of this bootstrap template landing page into our index.html in our subdomain. So I will paste the copied codes here and wait to see what will the result in our web browser. Now refreshing this is a result in our web browser, but there is a issue because all the things is working properly, but CSS is not implemented here. To get CSS, we will use the Bootstrap 4 version started CDN link. Just for example, we will open the introduction part of our Bootstrap 4 fourth version, and here is the CSS. I will use this CSS CDN link in our project file structure to align all the design in a proper manner. We are not downloading the CSS part, we are just using the CDN link. CDN is a shortcut of using all the predefined classes which is defined by the bootstrap. You know, this is very good idea to use any type of design defined by the bootstrap and any type of JavaScript classes used defined by bootstrap directly pasting with their CDN links. If we are going to use the design part of CSS, we will use the CDN link, and if we have to so any type of alerts and any type of JavaScript classes and functionality we have to use which is defined by the bootstrap, that will also work without downloaded it's the library files and every type of JavaScript files created by the bootstrap just by pasting the CDN link. So this is very good option to use any type of predefined classes and the function. So this is our landing page which I have copied from the bootstrap template, and I have pasted another thing just for a CDN to design this in a proper manner. So this is how it's looking now. Now I am going to search for another landing page. Search for example this type of landing page I will search from the also related with bootstrap, because bootstrap is currently running in measure of all the web application designed by every developers and using by every systems. This is an era where all the application is defined by the bootstrap. So bootstrap is very important to start your career as a web developer instead of learning any type of latest technology. Bootstrap is why important to us because this has defined its classes and its container and its grid functionality, how to design and how to create navbar and how to create any type of different functionalities defined by the bootstrap. So I am downloading this landing page because this is look like a very decent landing page created by the bootstrap. So I clicked on the download button and see that there is the pricing of this template. So just for testing purpose and learning purpose I will use for the $0 price because I am just created for a learning purpose only. So now the file is got downloaded in our download folder, and I will upload the same zipped file in our Hostinger server directly. See, just I have deleted the older landing page I have uploaded earlier, and see this is default.php which is the predefined by the Hostinger, and this is the landing page which is uploaded by the Hostinger. To unzip this folder we have to click on the extract button and just pasting the slash will extract all the folder structure in same here. This is the softland folder where all the template is kept, and to visit this template we have to write in a URL slash softland. Just for example this is the softland, and just pasting the slash and softland we will explore our landing page. See, this page I have downloaded from the bootstrap, but it should not appear just by writing the folder name. So we will move this folder structure just in a subdomain. Just for example there is a live folder, and under the live folder all the file structure and all the template we have to kept, it will be redirect to the URL. Created all the files of these folders. Now to visit the landing page we have to write directly the subdomain name we have created earlier and see how the template is working fine. Let's say it's responsive board, it means that mobile version it's also looking great, just same like I have downloaded from the template. Now this is how all the web application will appear in your subdomain, and we have cleared the method how we will create the subdomain of any type of domains we have purchased from any type of hosting provider and domain provider services agencies. And just by creating the subdomains of any type of folder name and any type of nomenclature with any type of subdomain, we can add any type of template, bootstrap template, predefined template and customized template. So this was the complete guide how to create subdomain in any type of web hosting service provider. I have used Hostinger as hosting service provider and created subdomain and uploaded the landing pages and run on the its URL. So it's complete guide. If you have any confusion then you can comment and you can message me directly. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and share these videos.